thought I'd make a video of me getting caught in the rain. Let's see if I wreck. And this is the first video I've made with this 400cc's bike, the 1978 Honda Hawk. So far it's running pretty good. I'm getting a little bit of oil dripping on the side there. It's just like a couple of drops, but I don't think I got that gasket to completely keep the oil from leaking out. I just bought me some Bi-Scripts at Pet Boys. That's where I made the video of me talking about locking up your bike to keep from getting stolen. Somebody really wants your bike, they'll just work on it until they can get it. But if there's a lot of people out watching and they see somebody sawing on the bike, there's more likely somebody's going to end up calling the cops on them, and they'll be like, hey, what are you doing sawing on that bike? Pretty doggone windy. There's a big old rain cloud up above me, but only a little bit of rain's coming down right this second. If I don't get home, I'm gonna get caught in a lot. Hey, how do you guys like that fucking bullshit? Always a piece of shit somewhere wanting to fucking ram you down. Bikers get no respect. Right now, fucking road's wet, so when they cut me off in front of me and I gotta slam on my brakes, guess what happens? I go down. EPD273. Nice license number. Am I allowed to say people's license number? It'll change next year who it is anyways. That's one thing good about these cameras, is now we're getting to, because in the past you was either just yelling at them or what, but now you get to put them on YouTube and show what a piece of shit they are to everybody in the world. And when they see themselves on YouTube being an ass, they're like, damn, I got caught being a dumbass. What the wind is, but it's knocking me around. There you go. Good verb. lot of motorcycle riders out here. That's why I was videotaping downtown, because a lot of them congregate down there and hang out. Just, I don't really know where they go down there. I never really did follow any of them down there to see what places they go to, but I bet you it's a few biker bars down there. I think a lot of them go down there just to show off, trying to look cool riding their bikes. I'm not one of those. I don't really care if anybody's looking at me. I'm just having fun riding. Show you a chicken place one time where I was discriminated against. That's Church's Chicken right there. I know you can see it. The one time the woman was like, "We don't have no specials or nothing up in here," because I asked for like 10 pieces of chicken, and it was like, "You want the biscuits and stuff with that?" And I was like, "That's what the meal thing says, right?" You know, I was like, why are they talking all that stuff? You know, it's supposed to come with it, get put it with it. And why is she coming? Because there were several other people ahead of me, and I'm the only one. She's like, "We ain't got no specials or nothing going on." I was like, why are they saying that to me? So there was some reverse discrimination going there, because everybody else in there was black, and I was the only white dude there buying some chicken. This would probably be the best bike for me to take out in the woods, because it sits up high and it's got an engine that really revs pretty good. It would do good climbing hills. It's kind of like a moto more than a sport bike. It's kind of small. It really maneuvers good too. I'm talking about going from left to right. You know, see it is? I can't really do that with my big bike. That big bike would have some trouble with that. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.